How do I fix this square junction box into a drywall? First of all, let's start with the scribe mark. This means I want to position the square junction box here. I'll just make the scribe marks. The box is supposed to go here. The question is, what tool I need to use. I'm going to be using the Vecturo OSC 18 accelerator. I've already fitted a long saw blade. This means I can plunge deep into the wall. I'll be using the Starlock Max fitting to assemble it. The problem is that when I cut into the drywall, a lot of dust is generated. But we've got a great solution for that. It's very clever. I have a positioning aid. I'll show you how to attach it. I can fit a suction hose onto the positioning aid at the side. This means the dust can be extracted cleanly when working. What's more, I can put a stop plate here. The blade is always guided well. I can adjust the depth. I know the approximate makeup of this wall. Usually I have a 12 mm thick plasterboard, then there's a 16 to 19 mm oriented strand board. Then there is generally the framework behind that. I can set the depth beforehand. To do that, I'll loosen the screw. I'll get it into position. I'm setting the stop to 3 cm, a little deeper. Now I can lock the depth. This ensures I've always got the correct depth. We've set everything now. I've got my suction hose here. I've also attached a Bluetooth connected battery pack. This means the extractor automatically starts when I turn on the machine. I'll attach the suction hose. Now we can get started. The hole is cut out. The box should fit. It does. Perfect. I especially like that we've created hardly any dust doing this work. We only have these 2 cutouts. The precision is also excellent. This means it's a great solution for this application. That's it for today. See you there. See you next time.